After journeying through Osaka, Kyoto, and Fuji, we're wrapping up our Japan trip in the bustling capital city, Tokyo. Quick room tour, just the washroom, kind of an open bathroom concept, shower. If you want to separate, I guess it just closes halfway.
It just so like.
Yeah, you can close that or you can have it open. This is our bed with a little table, really big TV. Let's see what the view is. The view is just the other side. Here we have a coffee machine, the fridge in there, some coffee, kettle, quite nice. If you noticed that I mentioned going to Fuji, but there not being a video, it's because we actually didn't see Mount Fuji at all, but let me know if you want to see the vlog anyway. Teamlabs is arguably one of the most popular tourist attractions in Tokyo, but it was actually a last-minute decision for us to go. There's Teamlabs, Borderless, and Planets, and we did the latter, which requires you to take your shoes off, and the experience is very sensory. You may have seen this room before on Instagram because literally everyone takes photos here. My review is that some exhibits were kind of cool, but for the approximately $40 admission fee, I don't really think it's that worth it, and honestly, it's pretty overhyped. If you're not trying to take pictures, I think you'd be better off spending that money elsewhere.
I think so.
We're moving from one hotel in Tokyo to another, so I'll give a quick room tour. By the way, this is the hotel in Otsuka that I originally booked. My main reason for picking this place is that there's enough space for luggage, and I'll show you why. So you walk in, this is the toilet, then next to it, the shower room, other side, place to hang our clothes, other goodies, the sink area. Here is this downstairs area with a big couch and quite a bit of space to open all our luggages because we have 5. Here's the view. We're on the 8th floor. Then turning back around, there's some storage space under here as well. And the reason there's so much space is because we sleep up here in this cozy loft. It's 6 p.m. We're all ready. It's gonna be a long night. If it looks like we're wearing the same outfit, it's because we are. We're off to a head spa. Very excited. I would recommend the head spa. It was a pretty fun and unique experience, and the service here was really excellent. I didn't vlog the rest of the night, but we actually met up with some friends, and then we went to a club in Shinjuku called Tide Tokyo.